This is a Red Boss tree spade. We're interested in buying Red Boss tree spades. If you have any, give us a call at Highland Hill Farm, 215-651-8329. We grow and sell all kinds of trees and shrubs and need large equipment to help us with our tree operation. We're also interested in things like hay wagons, bobcats, Kubotas, attachments for bobcats and Kubotas. So give us a call at 215-651-8329. We grow many screening and buffering trees like green giant arborvitaes, American pillars, and emerald green. These are our 4 to 5 foot American pillars at Highland Hill Farm.